So recently, I had an epiphany, okay? You could say a sudden spark of realization and heart, okay? That maybe things just aren't all about me here, okay? And so we're gonna be trying things that might just not be up my alley, yeah. Something that maybe you guys would like that I don't, all right? Not everybody likes the same things, all right? You guys know I'm not a fan of rose, and lychee is not one of my favorite fragrances either, type of sense. But a lot of people out there like it, and so why not try something that maybe, one of you guys out there would like. I honestly have no idea, okay? And if I look, I can't help how I feel about something, but we're gonna try it out, all right? We're gonna see if we can start not being so judgmental on things. But hey, look, if something don't smell good, don't think I'm not going to tell you. I'm gonna let you know it don't smell good, but I'm also going to let you know maybe it'll be for you. If you understand what I'm saying. Do you get it? You get it? Okay, all right, cool. So here we have Bonbon Lychee. Woo! Little bit scary, little bit scary. I have the notes right here if my iPad wants to open. Oh, I had the notes. Okay, no. So we have black currant. That's not bad. That's not bad. We're fine there. Lychee. Now it depends. If it's too strong of a lychee, like just like those really potent ones, I just can't do it. It's just too much for me. Red apple, not bad. Okay. Some apples kind of smell like hairspray, I will say. All right. We have Italian lemon, rose, Damasceno, some kind of rose. It's just rose. We're fine there. Well, not we're not fine. I don't like rose, but it's just a rose. It don't matter what kind I get. They're all the same, are they not? Candy violet, jasmine sandbox, sugared amber, cedarwood, musk, vanilla absolute, and sandalwood. Oh my gosh. Now there are some good things in there. I'm fine with the red apple. I'm interested on a candied violet. Certain florals are okay for me as long as they don't smell like grandmas and rosy grandmas and gardens. So not all roses are bad. Some are good. Black currant's fine. Lemon's fine. A sugared amber. I honestly really don't know what to think about this. People are saying that it's sparkling, that it's creamy, juicy and delicious. I don't know. It has 5 stars. Let's dig in. Now this is also from a brand that I've never heard of before. It's Valère. I'll put the name right here. Valère Prive, something like that. And then I guess that's like the brand that makes the fragrance, right? But who I get most of my fragrances from is Oud Lash. That's where I get most of my fragrances from, is the Oud Lash company, brand, place. Mostly all from TikTok is where I get them from. Okay. Little bit, I don't know why I was expecting it to be a bigger bottle for some reason. But she's skinny. Look at her. Okay. Give us petite. Give us where's the waist. Love that. I don't know. It's kind of cute. I like that. Didn't we have another bottle that was dripping? I swear we had another drippy bottle. Or was it just this? Is it this I'm thinking about? The coffee toffee one that we were talking about the other day? Huh. Okay, all right, let's grab a piece of paper. We're gonna try it on the paper and then the skin. All right, Bonbon Lychee. I'm really hoping, Lychee? I don't really know how you pronounce it. I know somebody came at my neck one day when I said the wrong way of saying it. But as long as it don't smell like gardens, grandmas, and, senior citizens, this should be a fine summer, springtime fragrance, I'm really hoping. Ooh! Ooh! Now, on the paper, she smells really pretty. Okay, like I said, not all roses are bad. And not all lychees are bad. Just a lot of them. Okay, so we're going to try this on the skin now. Uh-huh, uh-huh. She's a little strong, too. Okay. Okay, all right, hold on. Oh, well, spring, summer. This is really nice. So far, so good. Wait. We gotta let it sit, but I'm getting like a hint of BO, little underarm stank, somehow, some way. All right, let me get up and walk around because it might just be so strong right here. I just sprayed a whole lot. Sometimes you just gotta get up and walk around. The BO scent kind of went away a little bit. It's just like very citrusy from the lemon note, I guess, that's in there. It's like very citrusy, and it's mixed with that leche is like a lot. it's a lot. If you're not a fan of citrusy Lychee fragrances, I don't know if you'd really be a fan of this one. It is good though. I will say, even though that I'm not a fan of like Lychee and rosy fragrances, I really don't get a strong rose out of it. It might be there, but it's not a really prominent note in the fragrance. But I will say though, really good for spring or summer if those are your type of things, okay? And as somebody who's not a fan of Lychee, like talking about again, it's pretty daggone good. It's not my go-to fragrance, but I mean, she does get like an 8 out of 10. Yeah, I would say spring and summer for sure. With that being said, I'm gonna add her to the giveaway pile because again, 5K subscribers, we're doing another giveaway and I'm sure we'll be there very soon. Thank you guys so much. Everybody that's new to the channel, welcome to the family. Hi, I love you so much. And we do giveaways quite often once we hit goals and stuff like that, or once I start having too much stuff that, I mean, it sounds crazy that I'm just like giving it away because I have so much stuff, but you guys know I get so much stuff and I don't use it, so I like to give back when I can. It's just shipping is a lot, so when I can do it all at once, we try to do it all at once when we can, right? Anyways, I love you guys so much. This is a pretty decent fragrance if you want to go ahead and check it out. It is called Bon Bon Leche by whatever this brand. But I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.